Step into the raw power of heavy machinery, where steel giants roar to life, crushing challenges with unstoppable force. From towering excavators to thunderous bulldozers, these beasts aren't just machines, they're legends in motion. Watch the Komatsu excavator showcase flawless coordination as it loads 2 trucks simultaneously in a non-stop rhythm. With swift, fluid movements, the operator switches sides effortlessly, maximizing efficiency without wasting a second. Dirt flies, buckets swing, and precision dominates the job site. This isn't just multitasking, it's a masterclass in timing and machine control. In the world of heavy equipment, this kind of synchronized performance is rare and impressive, proving that real skill goes far beyond brute strength. Now witness raw power in action as the massive Komatsu PC-3000 loads Cat 777 haul trucks with ease. Each bucket holds tons of earth, yet the machine moves with smooth precision. It's a giant feeding giants, a true showcase of scale, force, and control. This is what happens when the world's biggest machines work in perfect sync. Another giant enters the scene. The Leaper 9350 excavator fills a 120-ton truck with just 3 massive buckets. Each scoop is a jaw-dropping display of brute force and engineering perfection. This isn't just excavation, it's domination. When size meets precision, the job gets done fast. You'll love watching this beast move mountains in seconds. It's not over yet. Watch the mighty Hitachi EX2600 digger rip through overburden and load it effortlessly onto Komatsu and Caterpillar dump trucks. Each scoop is massive, the pace relentless, and the coordination flawless. This is heavy machinery working at full capacity, turning a mountain of debris into smooth-flowing productivity. Pure power, perfect timing, and unstoppable momentum in action. Step away from the dusty job sites and unwind in the peaceful countryside with Wagner at the controls. His hydraulic excavator glides smoothly across the field, clearing ditches with calm precision. No chaos, no rush, just skillful movements and the quiet rhythm of machinery in harmony with nature. Sometimes, real power shows itself in the most peaceful places. The house collapses without warning as workers labor below, a terrifying moment of danger unfolding in just seconds. The Kamaz is yanked into the ditch as if by an invisible force. Tires screech, the engine roars in panic. Every attempt to regain control becomes a heart-pounding struggle between cold steel and a slippery fate. The Liebherr R9350 moves like a giant iron arm, smoothly scooping tons of rock and loading dump trucks with chilling precision. Beneath its steel shell lies a perfect blend of brute power and surgical finesse, each motion a flawless performance in the heart of a brutal mining battlefield.